Akkam nagaa keessanii barattoota. Viidiyoo kanaan Introduction to Economics kan jedhu mid exam kan wajjin ilaallu ta'a. Namoonni chaanaalii kanaaf haaraa taatan subscribe gochuudhaan akkasumas viidiyoo kana like gochuun na wajjin jiraachuu keessan naaf garsiisaa isiniin jedha. Viidiyoo kana hiriyaa keessan kan hin fayyade jettanii yaaddaniif share gochuudhaan koomentii irrattis yuunivarsiitii kam irraa akka viidiyoo kana daawwataa jirtan naaf kaayaa isiniin jedha. Qajeelumaan gara gaafitti haaseennu. Part 1 True False kan jedhu wajjin ilaallaa jechuudha. Question number 1. Scarcity exists even in very rich economies. The answer is true. No matter how rich a society is, resources are still limited relative to unlimited ones. Hawaasni hanguma fedhes qabeenya uu qabaate reesoorsii limited ta'e wajjin fedhii ilma namaa compare goonee yoo ilaallu unlimitedidha. So scarcity yeroo wayiitti deemee uumamuun isaa waan hin oolle jechuudha. Sababa kanaaf the correct answer is true. Question number 2. Opportunity cost is always measured in money. The answer is false. It is measured in the value of next best alternative, not necessarily money. Carraa isatti aanee dhufuun kan tilmaamu malee maniidhaan ni tilmaama jennee fudhachuu hin qabnu jechaadha. Question number 3. Positive economics involves value judgments. The answer is false. Positive economics is based on facts, not options. Positive economics kan inni irratti hundaa'u faaktii irratti malee optionii irratti miti jechuudha. Question number 4. A point inside the PPF indicates insufficiency. Correct answer is true. Resources are underutilized or misallocated. Question number 5. An outward shift of PPF always results from technological progress only. The answer is false. It can also result from increased resources such as labor and capital. Wantoota akkana kanneeniin kan dabalu ta'a technological progressing qofti dhiibbaa irratti fiduu hin danda'u jechuudha. Question number 6. Demand increases when price decreases. Ceteris paribus. Correct answer is false. Quantity demanded increase, not demand itself. Question number 7. A perfectly inelastic demand curve is horizontal. The correct answer is false. It is vertical. Quantity does not change with price. Price wajjin quantity kenna changed in ta'u. Question number 8. Cross elasticity is positive for complementary goods. The correct answer is false. It is negative because goods are used together. Question number 9. Marginal utility becomes 0 at maximum total utility. The correct answer is true. At this point, satisfaction is maximized. Gaafilee salphaadha waan ta'eef dafaa bira darbina. Question number 10. Indifference curves can intersect under rational preferences. The correct answer is false. Intersection violates consistency in the transitivity assumptions. Part 2 Multiple choice. Kabajaa waliin namoonni hanga ammaa like subscribe hin goone si'a tokko dhaabadhaa subscribe like godhaa. Galatooma itti fufnu. Question number 11. The fundamental economy problem arises because A. Resources are unlimited. B. Wants are limited. C. Resources are scarce and wants are unlimited. D. Government controls markets. The correct answer is C. Scarcity versus unlimited wants creates economy problem. Wantoota rakkoo qabeenyaa fiduu danda'an keessaa isaan kanneen jechuudha. Question number 12. Which of the following best represents opportunity cost? A. Total cost. B. Accounting cost. C. Foregone alternative. D. Fixed cost. Correct answer is C. It reflects the next best alternative sacrificed. Question number 30. A movement from one point to another on the same demand curve is caused by A. Change in income. B. Change in price. C. Change in taste. D. Change in population. Correct answer is B. Only price changes cause movement along the curve. Gaafilee sasalphaa waan ta'eef dafaa irra darbara sa'aatii keessanillee isinirraan gubu. Question number 14. A rightward shift of demand curve indicates A. Decrease in demand. B. Increase in demand. C. Increase in price. D. Decrease in supply. Correct answer is B. Increase in demand. Consumers demand more at every price. Question number 50. Which is not a determinant of demand? A. Income. B. Taste. C. Technology. D. Price of related goods. Correct answer is C. Technology affects supply, not demand. Question number 16. Price elasticity of demand measures A. Total output. B. Responsiveness of quantity demanded to price. C. Utility. D. Cost. Correct answer is B. It measures sensitivity to price changes. Question number 17. If inelasticity greater than 1, demand is A. Inelastic. B. Elastic. C. Unitary. D. Perfectly inelastic. Gaafilee sasalphaadha waan ta'eef explanation hundoom ofii keessanii dubbifadha. Correct answer is B. Question number 18. A necessity good usually has A. Inelastic demand. B. Inelastic demand. C. Infinite elasticity. D. Zero elasticity. Correct answer is B. Inelastic demand. Question number 19. Consumer equilibrium in single good occurs when A. Total utility is minimum. B. Marginal utility is equals to price. C. Price is equals to income. D. Demand is equals to supply. The correct answer is B. Question number 20. Law of diminishing marginal utility implies A. Marginal utility increases. B. Marginal utility remain constant. C. Marginal utility decrease as consumption increase. D. Total utility decrease always. Correct answer is C. Marginal utility decrease as consumption increase. Question number 21. Indifferent curve represents A. Equal income. B. Equal cost. C. Equal utility. D. Equal production. Correct answer is C. Equal utility. Question number 22. Budget line slope equals A. Price change in X times price change in Y. B. Price change in X divided by price change in Y. C. Price change in Y divided by price change in X. D. Income divided by price. Correct answer is B. Question number 23. When both demand and the supply increase, A. Price always increase. B. Price always decrease. C. Quantity increase, price uncertain. D. No change. Correct answer is C. Quantity increase, price uncertain. Question number 24. Cross elasticity of substitutes is A. Negative. B. 0. C. Positive. D. Infinite. Correct answer is C. Positive. Question number 25. If marginal utility is negative, total utility is A. Increase. B. Is constant. C. Decrease. D. Is maximum. Correct answer is C. Decreases. Part 3. Fill in the blank space. Question number 26. Scarcity forces individuals to make dash. Correct answer is choice. Question number 27. The PPF illustrates scarcity, choice, and dash. Correct answer is opportunity cost. Question number 28. A change in price causes movement along the dash curve. Correct answer is demand. Question number 29. Marginal utility is the dash in total utility. Correct answer is change in total utility. Question number 30. Consumer equilibrium in two goods occurs when marginal rate of substitution is equal to dash. Correct answer is when price change of X divided by price change of Y.